Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today we're gonna take a look into Firefox web browser, which is the latest version. And this latest version is actually the Firefox 149. And of course, last time I was talking about this and I didn't quite let you see on how to split the tab in your application. So I have this one. This tab is empty and I have another tab and I want to split screen this one. I have to right click the mouse and then add the split view, which is you just do like that. As you can see, it is so easy. Or you could also do like this and then just add another tab. Right there. As you can see, I could have the triple tab or make it another tab just to split it. And then there you have it. Nice, cool feature of the Firefox 149. So if you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. I'm Blair, your science, computer, mathematics, and engineering teacher. Bye for now and see you in the next adventure. Ciao!